Many timing parameters are available on the mixed-signal high-definition oscilloscopes to measure and analyze the characteristics of digital buses. Access the measurement menu from the Measure pull-down menu and select Measure Setup. Specify the measurement parameter and source for the measurements. Turn Statistics and Histogons on to see how the measurement values are changing over time. Create a trace of all measured values by pressing the Trend button next to the measurement parameter to trend and selecting the Math trace where the trend should be created. All of these powerful digital measurement tools make debugging digital designs painless. Supported measurements include duty, delay, frequency, period, and width.